Want to know the best way to make money with affiliate marketing and AI? Well, while you watch this video, I'm about to build the exact affiliate machine that I'd use myself to make my first $1,000 online. And I'm going to do it starting from a blank screen. And we're not going to do it with a blog, not with a massive audience. We're going to start with just one page, one offer, and one AI workflow that does all the heavy lifting for us. And you'll see me turn a blank page into a money-making affiliate machine. And as you watch, you'll see the whole thing mapped out for you. Now, this is the same simple structure that grew one business to over $520 million in results. And then I'm going to walk you through the 4 steps so you can set it up today yourself. And then at the very end, as a bonus, I'm going to show you one single profit multiplier. It's a step that almost all the beginners skip it. They don't even know they need to do it, but you get it right and you can make 10 times more money. So are you ready? And let's dive in. Oh, hold on. Before things get too exciting here comes the don't sue me bro disclaimer. Now, the results that I'm about to share with you are real, okay? But there are absolutely, positively not guaranteed results. Building a business, it takes actual work, experimentation, and the kind of persistence that's usually reserved for people who run marathons for fun. Some people, they make life-changing money. Some people make, little bits here and there, some coffee money. Some people lose money trying to do this stuff because they often treat digital marketing and building a business kind of like a scratch-off ticket, instead of an actual business. So no promises here, just possibilities, strategies, and tools that you can use if you're willing to put in the effort. Cool? All right, cool. Let's keep going. So as you heard, this is all about how to make money with affiliate marketing plus AI. And we're going to be showing you what is a $520 million strategy from me, the $100 million online entrepreneur. We're going to start out by finding an affiliate offer. And as I said before, affiliate marketing is a really simple concept. It is being able to go out and get links that make you commissions. So you could share your links. Heck, you could even share it with friends and family or anyone on the internet. And if they click those links and they go buy products or sign up for things, you get paid commission. Pretty cool business model because you don't have to deal with support, charging credit cards, dealing with products, fulfillment, none of that stuff. Instead, you just get paid a commission. Very simple. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to an affiliate network. For the purposes of our demo today, I'm going to use ClickBank, but there are many other networks or many marketplaces. And even Amazon has an affiliate program. Amazon calls theirs their associate program. So there are lots of places to get what are called offers, affiliate offers. These are the links that you want to get that you can use to promote all over the internet. So in the ClickBank marketplace, there are many, many affiliate offers on lots of different categories. We can see all the categories over here. One of the ones that I really love to look at is the health and fitness market, because there are lots of supplements and physical products, as well as digital, like information products. It's a really great category to look at stuff here. Here's one. Let's take a look at this one. So here it looks like a great offer. So it's in the dental niche. So it's about natural health, but in the dental niche. And so we can take a look. Let's take a look at the sales page for this offer. So here is the product that they're selling. It helps with a lot of great stuff for dental health. So right here, you can see specially designed for the health of your teeth and gums. And so we're going to use this as an example. And so let's go through here. And so let's see if we can find some others that seem kind of different than that one. Let's look through here. A lot of supplements. Okay, here are some drops. So let's take a look at the drops. I like that that's different. So there's another offer here. I'll find one more offer related to dental. And let's see, we'll go with this one. So we'll look at the sales page for this. And so we got our 3 offers. So we have this one, and this one. We're going to continue on. Now, again, realize I'm showing you ClickBank. I'm friends with some of the guys over at ClickBank. I think it's a great marketplace. It's been one of the original marketplaces for getting affiliate links. Now they are up to over $7 billion in commissions that they have paid their affiliates. That's darn impressive. But there are many, many other marketplaces that you can go to get all kinds of different links. You don't have to only use ClickBank. Now, we are going to use my very own Buildy AI to make a free tool. As part of this exercise, I'll be bringing producer Nick, who is an incredible entrepreneur in his own right, and he'll be coming on to help us out with part of this. But what we're going to do is we're going to make a free tool using Buildy AI. And Buildy AI, you can just give the affiliate links that we've just made. We're going to give it to Buildy. I'll show you this. We'll demonstrate it in a minute, and ask it to make an interactive tool that promotes your affiliate link. And we want to make sure, this is really important, that when you tell Buildy to build this, you want to tell it you want to collect emails, okay? This is very important for later. So there's a lot of ideas here. And producer Nick, do you want to come on and maybe talk a little bit about some of these ideas and help people kind of get oriented to some of what we're recommending they promote?
Yeah, so my recommendation is you build an interactive tool. Could be a calculator, could be an assessment like a quiz, could be a generator, like it generates you a plan or some sort of content. My preference is to make assessments where they basically they fill out a quiz. At the end of the quiz, they get a report, and in that report is where your affiliate links are. So with our example, we have the dental offers. So we come up with an assessment relating to dental health. And then at the very end, they get a report with our affiliate offers. And when they click those affiliate links, we get commission. What I would do is, because we want to collect emails, this is important for later. What I would do is I would give them like a very condensed and limited assessment at the end of the quiz. And they get the full report. They have to put their email in.
Well, in fact, you know what? Here, let's do this. I'll do one better. We're going to gate the report and make them give us the email so they can see it.
Perfect.
Yeah. So, okay, let's get started. So here's Buildy AI, and you can sign up here for your account, and we're going to use it to start this up. So I'm asking it to collect their name at the beginning and then use their name throughout the assessment. Then require them to enter their email address to see the results. Now, final important part. On the results page, promote the following 3 products and explain the benefits and how it fits into their overall plan. This presentation comes with a playbook that you've been seeing me share on the screen. So this has got all the links, resources, tools. We have some bonus material coming in just a minute. All of it's available to you to download. We'll put instructions down below. All you need to do is be an Ingeniosity newsletter subscriber. That's Nick's newsletter that he sends out. Great free training. It's no cost. And as a subscriber, you'll get access to the vault of playbooks just like this one, and it'll be in there. So now let's put the final link in here. All right, so now as you can see, it has gotten started. It is going to begin making the app. This process here takes usually 3 to 4 minutes. While it is doing its thing, we're going to go back to the presentation and continue. We'll come back to the app that is made. So we have lots of examples if you want to learn some ideas to help get the creative juices flowing. Nick put lots of examples here for you to see.
That's an awesome example. So here, click that link. Yeah, so you put in your city. I think it's limited to the United States. It's using AI to come up with things to do in the area, but it's filling everything with affiliate links. So if you go and click some of these links, they're affiliate links. Go back to the home page. It says that it was used by 5 million people. So if this website has been used 5 million times, imagine the affiliate commissions they've generated. It's probably, nothing to sneeze at.
That's awesome. Actually, I'm going to use this tool. So yeah, thanks for pointing that out. But there you go. Something as simple as that. It just helps people find fun things to do and then promotes affiliate links. That's pretty cool. Here's another example. So this is the case study. The case study is linked in our deck. So if you become an Ingeniosity subscriber and you get your copy of this free deck, you can go check out that case study and learn all about this company here. NerdWallet is an enormous company that built up a $520 million in value for their business using strategies like this.
It's a content website mainly, and they cover personal finance, credit cards, budgeting, stuff like that. And they have, I think it's over 100. They have all of these calculators, all these personal finance related calculators. And what do they do when you get to the end or right under that? They put affiliate links to credit products, like personal finance products. And when you click and you become a user and you get in the ecosystem of those products, they get a kickback. Big, giant, publicly traded companies are doing stuff like this. And it's not just little side hustles. You can get big doing stuff like this.
Now we're going to move on to step 3, which is you'll perfect and publish your tool. In just a moment, we're going to go back to the tool and take a look at it. You just polish it, get it dialed in. That process literally takes minutes. It is not hard at all. I'll show you that in a moment. To download the playbook, but head on over there, become a subscriber to Ingeniosity. And you can do that at pushbutton.ai/subscribe. And then reminder, we do have some bonus content coming up ahead. And then the final step is getting traffic. And I know we have our traffic strategy, that we have right here on the channel that everyone can go watch. So we'll drop a link to that as well. When this video ends, you'll get a link to go watch on how you get traffic to this kind of business model. And actually, Nick, this follows the NerdWallet example precisely. This is a budget way to do exactly what NerdWallet did. For as little as $2 a day, you can drive a lot of traffic and get your business kickstarted. There we go. There's our personal dental checkup. Okay. So here is our quiz. Start my assessment. How often do you brush your teeth? How often do you floss? Any specific concerns? How sensitive are your teeth? How often do you consume sugary drinks? Okay, I don't consume them at all, but for the sake of this, I'll say multiple times. I want to see what it says. Do you smoke or use vape products? I'm going to say no to this one. When was your last dental checkup? You know what? Let's do that. I want to see what it says. If you asked your dentist one question right now, what would it be? And then we're going to finish. There's the little animated part that I asked it for. So it's creating a personalized plan for me. Now, if you've gone this far and you went through all of those steps and answered the questions, do you think you'd likely put your email address in? Heck yeah, you would. So now when someone puts their email address in, they can go right onto your email marketing list and you can send them marketing emails later on. So we'll just put that in there. We'll say, see my results, and there it is. So here is our report. We got our dental snapshot. So we get an overview. We've got habits to consider, some weekly and monthly tips, and a thing about professional care. And this is all custom written, by the way. So the AI wrote this in real time specifically for me based on my answers. And then look at this. Here's our affiliate links. There we got our Dentist Smile, Dentifox, and ProDentum. So when we click here, boom, it opens up. There's our affiliate link. And now if anybody goes through our quiz and buys these products, we get paid a commission. Let's go back to ClickBank and let's kind of see what can we make with this. Okay, here's the average commission earned on this product is $114. And that's what it's saying their average commission is of the affiliates that are promoting it. So you can see here, this one, you can make $150 in commission from promoting that. The goal is to drive traffic through that quiz at a way that is cheaper than the commissions we get at the end. So let's say, we're spending $10 to get somebody to come through our quiz. Well, we hope that they then buy and earn us $150 in commissions. And then the difference is our profit. We pocket that and walk away. And then the beauty of affiliate marketing is that you just put in your pocket. You don't have to pay for product fulfillment. You have no team, no staff, nothing that goes with a traditional business. You just subtract out your advertising cost, and then the rest goes straight into your pocket. I really love the affiliate business model. And so there we go. And now what I could do with Buildy is we could improve this. Let's say as an example, we want this report to be longer. We could just tell it that. So we could just say, please make the final report longer, more helpful, and specific. Go. And then Buildy's going to go to work and it will actually make those changes for us. It's amazing because we can guide Buildy to make anything we want with this app. We could change the questions. We could have it create a great landing page. We could have it change the colors. Whatever it is that you need to do to perfect the app, you just talk to Buildy in plain English without needing to know any technology, and it will do it for you. And by the way, it also hosts the quiz and hosts your database, all the data and everything you need to launch your business. It's a complete AI business building tool. So you don't need to buy other tools, other hosting. It's all in one place, and we take care of all the tech stuff for you. So that's why we recommend you use Buildy. Let's move on and talk about our bonus content. So this is pretty powerful. This is actually something that I myself have done. You start out as an affiliate. You launch your affiliate business like we just showed you. You get some commission coming in. And then let's say that you got your first 1,000 people through that quiz. Okay. So let's say whether you used our $2 a day Facebook ad strategy or however you got the traffic through, let's say you now have got 1,000 people who've gone through your quiz and some of them are buying the affiliate offers and you're making some money. What do you do from here to just 10x your profits? Well, the very next logical thing to do is for you to make your own offer. Why stop at promoting other people's offer and letting them, have all the fun and the bigger profits? Instead, now you can take your 1,000 subscribers that you just got, and you can take all of the data that you have learned from the quiz, and you now can launch your own product. Now, as an example, we've been showing you physical supplements products. Did you know that there are places that you can go to and it's called private labeling, where they have supplements just like you just saw, and you can slap your own label on it. The company will handle shipping, fulfillment, and everything, and it's your product with your name on it, and you can charge whatever you want and keep all that profit, right? And so now you expand and you make your own affiliate offer. So not only now you make your own offer and you sell it to your subscriber list, and you plug it into your quiz at the end, and now you can list your product on ClickBank and get other affiliates promoting you. So now you've gone from being an affiliate to an offer owner. You've graduated and moved up the chain, and now you have your own offer. You list it in ClickBank or wherever you want, and you make more and more money, and you get a valuable business built that you actually can sell for a lot of money later down the road by doing this. If you're not sure what niche to go into, or you're not sure what to do, or maybe you've got an idea and you just need some help perfecting it, well, head on over to buildy.ai/quiz and it will help you. So we've actually made our very own quiz app. You can come here, you just go step by step, answering the questions that Buildy asks you, or you can say you're not sure and you need help, and you just step through answering the questions, and you'll come out the other side with your business published, launched, and ready to go. So again, if you don't know what niche market to go in, Buildy will help you figure it out. If you don't know what kind of products to sell, Buildy will help you figure it out. If you're not sure what features to put in your app, Buildy will help you figure it out. Pretty cool. So you go from nothing all the way through to a launched business deployed on the internet, and all you got to do is answer the quiz questions. Pretty powerful. I would like to know if you would like a full tutorial that covers this in more detail. So if you'd like to know how to go from starting up with affiliate marketing, like I showed you today, and then how do you go from an affiliate just making commissions to graduating and going big time and doing that magnification to launching your own affiliate offer. Would you like to know how to have your own affiliate offer listed in places like ClickBank and other places like that? Then comment below and let me know if you'd like that deep dive training. It'll be a much more in-depth training, and I'll have to focus specifically on that. And if you'd like that, then drop in the comments below and let us know. And again, your votes are going to help us decide what content we cover here on the channel. Number one, if you want more deep dive training on how to pick great affiliate offers, how to get approved as an affiliate, those kind of things on getting started, drop in your vote below. Or two, would you like the deep dive training on launching your own affiliate offer? You vote, drop them down below in the comments, and then go check out Buildy, buildy.ai/quiz. I'll also put that link down below, and make sure you check out the video that's coming up now. It'll teach you exactly how to get traffic to your new business. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.